The doors to Tube Accelerator 2.0 are officially open right now. And we're going to be shutting this down at the end of the month. But if you stick with me throughout this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's included with Tube Accelerator 2.0, what's changed, and I'll walk you through every module, bonus, the price, and some AI things that are also included. Now, throughout this video series, I introduced you to the new way of doing YouTube that nobody talks about, the best niches for doing this new way, how to monetize with a money magnet video, and in the last video, I even showed you real case studies for doing this from some of my most successful students and myself. And today, I'm handing you the entire system with the tools, the template, the coaches, and the community, and everything that you need to succeed with this if this is something that you want to do. And within this program, I'm going to help you build what I like to call a symbiotic system, which is a YouTube business where every new piece of content that you put up feeds every other piece. And you have one main channel, whether it's a personal channel or a faceless channel. This system works for both, and you pick the right niche and we'll help you do that. You generate a pillar video or a money magnet video that sells something from the first day that you start your channel, and then you layer in 6 to 12 videos a month that all funnel traffic back to it, and that's the system. That's what almost every student and myself are doing. And AI is only going to help this, and this program will give you a day-by-day roadmap of exactly what to do for the first 90 days of doing this, and then it'll even outline the minimal amount of work that you have to do to keep this sustained and how you can get AI to help do a lot of this for you. And it's updated for 2026. Now, does this mean that you just simply push a button and money falls out of the ceiling? Obviously not. I can't guarantee you're going to make anything because I can't guarantee that you're going to do the work. Most people who buy programs do nothing with them, but what I can guarantee is that you're going to get all of the tactics, and now you're also going to be getting all of the tools that myself and all of my top students are using to make taking action on this as easy as possible. But if you want to get rich quick scheme, close out of this video. This is not for you. Those do not exist. But what does exist is this real YouTube business that's only going to be helped by AI over the next 5 to 10 years that I've broken down throughout this video series so far. And I'm going to show you something that I've never offered in any version of Tube Accelerator before. And this is going to make this the easiest program that I've ever made to finish. So with Tube Accelerator 2.0, I'm not just renaming Tube Accelerator, but I've actually built it up completely from scratch for this new way of doing YouTube in 2026. Every module, every workflow, and everything within this program have been rebuilt around the new AI tools that are available right now, and it'll position you for doing this the right way going into the future. So there's new content production workflows on both the personal brand front, where you can run AI avatar channels, as well as personal channels if you do want to get in front of a camera, as well as on the faceless channel front. There's so many new tools for producing faceless videos and producing faceless avatar videos specifically. And I'm going to show you how to do that, or to take a channel that you already have and get it optimized for this AI era. And there's brand new monetization paths, including a new way to monetize your expertise that I personally believe in way more than just selling standard high ticket programs or just selling courses. And a bunch of other brand new bonuses that you can't get anywhere else, and ways of monetizing even if you're not an expert and you just have no idea what to sell. I'll show you exactly what to do. So let's go over what's inside. The program itself is split up into 6 different modules. Now, what makes this a lot different than just a course is that it's broken down into exactly how long it should take you to take each step. And that's in the form of a checklist that I give you at the beginning of the program in the first module, which tells you how long each step should take exactly. So choosing a channel name, setting up the channel, and everything else, I've taken the data from my 10,000 plus students, and I've seen the average amount of time it's taken them and myself, and then given you that in a form of a more optimistic time frame, so you can have some urgency and actually take action and achieve what you want to achieve with YouTube. And within module 1, I'll show you the foundation for this. I'll show you how to choose between the 2 different paths of faceless content or personal brand content, and I'll help you choose a niche, and then we'll set up your channel the right way to get this going. And then in module 2, we're going to talk about monetization. So we're not going to wait until we have a whole channel built out like most YouTube programs are going to tell you to do. They're going to focus on the content first. That comes secondary. What comes first is making money from the first video that you post. It is worthless if you invest a ton of time and energy into building a channel, not even to have a good way of monetizing it. So we're gonna focus on the monetization first, and that's why I go over it in the second module right here. And there's 2 paths you can go down, either picking an affiliate product, and we'll help you pick an absolutely great one. I'll give you a list of all the best affiliate products. And in this case, you need no expertise. You can promote somebody else's stuff and get paid for it. Or you can go down path B and doing this new way of monetizing monetizing your expertise. If anybody's ever asked you for advice on doing something, that means you know more than the average person on it. And you could easily package your expertise into a YouTube channel and then selling your own program. But I'm not just talking about selling courses into your own thing. That's way better and way more simple than the high ticket and the old course model. And this is what I personally do now and make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month from it. Obviously, that's not a guarantee that you will, but this has made my life so much easier. I don't have dozens and dozens of employees anymore. And also in this module, I'll give you the script template for the flywheel pillar video, and we'll set that up. And I'll show you how to sign up for the affiliate programs, how to get clear on your offer, where to host your offer, how to start selling it, even if you've never even made it yet. And then in module number 3, then we're going to get into the content. And we're going into content already having a pillar video, already having our channel monetized from the first day that we started. So every new video that we do is only going to be feeding what we've already set up. And this is where we get into the flywheel content strategy and how to put together an amazing content calendar that's super easy to keep, how to get unlimited great video ideas on demand, how to write scripts that actually keep viewers by doing a combination of AI and this technique that I'm going to show you. And then I'll show you the 2 different production workflows for if you're doing personal brand videos or if you're doing faceless videos. I'm going to show you both paths, and I'll show you all the gear that I use for filming these personal brand videos, and I'll also show you how you can make AI avatar videos as well, and show you lesson guides on how to do every type of content, how to generate thumbnails that actually get clicks, how to upload and optimize for maximum reach, how to edit, how to generate videos, and plus you're even going to be getting access to an AI that can literally generate videos for you. And we'll get into that more in just a second. In module 4, we'll go over the business side of this. And at this point, your whole channel is already set up in terms of a real business. You've actually got something that's going, instead of thinking about this for another few months to few years and not taking any action. And we're going to make sure that this happens for you and keep you accountable. And most of this work is front loaded too, so you only do it once. And you spend a couple hours putting all this together, and now you've got a business in of itself. And everything we do on top of this is just a bonus. Like in the business module, for instance, I'm going to show you a bonus of doing a 6 video series, which is what my student Musa did to make over $300,000 in a day. Again, not a guarantee of results, but I'll show you how to do that, give you all the script templates for it. That alone is worth thousands of dollars. And most people would literally sell a high ticket program just teaching that alone. I'm going to show you how to use emails to multiply revenue and how to build a business off of YouTube to keep your business safe no matter what. I've never had a channel get banned, knock on wood, and I'm going to show you how to avoid that as well. But we're also going to take precautions. We're going to build a business outside of just YouTube, so we're not putting all of our eggs in one basket. And this is going to allow us to make a ton of more money as well. I'm going to show you the analytics to actually look at to blow up your channel without having to spend hours a day obsessing over them. I don't do that at all. I maybe look at them once a week or once a month. And then I'm going to show you how to scale with a team when you're ready. And I'm not talking about some huge team where you have to have closers and tons of freelancers and everything else. I'm talking about 1 to 3 people that are your dream team that operate in the background for you like I have, where I'm able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month profit from my channels and just have them managing the day-to-day stuff that I don't want to do. And I'm going to show you exactly who those people are, how to hire them, how much to pay them, and how to keep an enormous amount of profit for yourself as well. And then in module number 5, we'll go over some additional bonus income multipliers, such as how to set this up in an ecosystem approach, how I personally have now been making $50,000 to $100,000 a month just from sponsorships from my channels as well. It's a really easy monetization source that most people are just leaving on the table. Again, not a guarantee of income. How to set up a certain type of retargeting ads to run in the background for you 24/7, driving traffic to your pillar video for getting sales, and you barely have to invest any money. And these will be the highest ROI ads that you ever run. You don't have to do this whatsoever, but it's just a bonus. My personal YouTube short strategy, and it's different than anybody else out there. Shorts are not a priority for me. However, I do implement this one strategy that I'm going to show you, the science of going viral. And then in module number 6, we'll talk about my own personal $500,000 per month business blueprint. This is exactly how I sell programs and make hundreds of thousands a month. Again, this is no guarantee of income. I do need to stress, I've been doing this for the past decade, but I'm going to show you my full funnel diagram and breakdown and everything. And it's a very different way of selling my expertise and education than most people do. And now you're probably asking, Matt, this sounds awesome, but how much is this? Is this going to be, a $10,000, $20,000 program? I'm going to get into the price in just a minute, but first, let me show you which bonuses you're also going to be getting. And the first and most important one is you're going to get 30 days free access to all of my software companies, including Tube and VidAI, direct access to me personally in a private group that you can talk with me at any time. I can look at your channel, weekly coaching calls with my head coach, Dennis, who has been helping me run channels since I was just 15 years old. And I like to jump on those sometimes as well, but usually it will just be Dennis. AI Matt, which is an AI that's trained on this new way of doing YouTube and everything that I've accumulated in terms of my knowledge on YouTube, structured for this new way of doing YouTube. That's available 24/7 if you wanted to look at your channel, respond to any questions that you have, and if you just need instant advice. But you will also get access to my real coaches as well, who are within a private community that I'm also in, and we will answer every single question no matter what. And then you also get all of these bonuses right here, including a list of all the best niches, a niche selection worksheet, will help you literally choose your niche, a channel setup checklist, a step-by-step checklist with timeframes for the entire program, a list of affiliate programs with payouts and notes, how to launch your own offer checklist, getting clear on your offer worksheet, the flywheel video script template, a content tracker template, a script writing checklist, proven script hook templates, 50 plus viral title formulas that actually get business, a video optimization checklist, all the software and tools that I recommend. You get access to those, plus discounts that I've negotiated with some other tools as well, a gear list for both personal channels and faceless channels, the 6 video series script templates, the same ones that Musa used that we talked about earlier, email templates, team structure diagram for maximum profit, the symbiotic system outline, my resource vault, including all the documents and templates and swipe files, and plus the private community access with me in there also answering questions personally. Most programs, they sell you a course and they give you the information and they expect you to implement it all yourself. These bonuses are going to help you execute all of this, and either myself or Dennis have worked with a lot of people, and whether you're just looking for the best at-home business that you can possibly run going into this new AI era, it is running YouTube channels in this way that I'm teaching, whether it's a faceless channel or a personal channel where maybe you have some expertise and you want to sell it and you just want the best way of possibly doing that without having to do sales calls and do all that BS that used to go into that, then Tube Accelerator 2.0 is for you. And now I know a lot of people are wondering, well, Matt, this sounds awesome, but how much is the program? Well, you can join Tube Accelerator 2.0 right now for a one-time investment of $14.97. And that includes lifetime access to the core offer and most of the bonuses. Now, if you can't swing $14.97, I completely understand. And I've actually set up some payment plan options that you can also choose from on the checkout page, as well as a few financing options, because I'm trying to make this as available as I can to the people who really honestly want to do this. And so you can click the link down below this video, pick which plan that you want to do, pay with your credit card or your bank account or any of the other options that we have, and you'll get instant access to Tube Accelerator 2.0. The second you sign up, you get instant access to the program, and you'll get an onboarding email with all of your links and login details. You'll also be added to the private community where I and my team are answering all the questions every day, and you can book your first coaching call with my head coach, Dennis, start using AI Matt, and get your login to Tube Magic and VidAI. And as much as I'd love to help everybody in the world do this, that's really what I try to do through my free videos here on YouTube. I try to give as much great information as I can. However, there's so much you can go over in YouTube videos, and if you want everything that I have to offer when it comes to doing this the right way, for sure, and you really want to grow the YouTube business of your dreams, there's no better place in the world. We'll keep you accountable, and we'll make sure that you actually do this to hit the goals that you want to hit with this. And so for that reason, doors have actually been closed on Tube Accelerator for the past month. I haven't accepted a single person in any of my programs in the past month, and that's because I was finishing 2.0 and I wanted to help the people who are already in my program to get the results that they want to get with YouTube, and I wanted to focus on them. So now that we're opening it this time around, we're going to keep it open until the first day of next month. And on the 1st, we are then going to close enrollment again for Tube Accelerator 2.0. So if this is something that you want to do, then now is the time to do it. Now, dozens of people on the waitlist have already got access to Tube Accelerator 2.0 because they got access a day before the public and they grabbed their spots in the first 24 hours. But we do still have spots available, but I am going to close it down if we sell too many people into this program that we can't personally help. I want to limit it this time at around 100 people. So if you do go to the page and you see it's closed, that's the reason. And I'm sorry if you weren't able to get in at this time, but do keep an eye out for next time. I'll try to put like a link for a wait list or something when we do close it down again. But if spots are open, please do not sit on the fence on this. Join this if this is something that you want to do, I will help you to get the results that you want with YouTube. This works for faceless channels, it works for personal brand channels, and it works whether you have expertise that you want to share with the world, or you're a complete beginner, you have no idea what to sell, and you just want to promote somebody else's product. And this works in 2026 because it's updated and it's built for 2026. This is the only program that I have right now. And if you feel like this is right for you, simply click the link down below this video, join Tube Accelerator 2.0, and I cannot wait to see you inside the community. Now, I did want to answer some frequently asked questions that I know people are going to have about this program. And the first is going to be, if everybody in the world does this, will this still work? And my response to that is, first of all, everybody's going to be using these tools to create commoditized AI slop. And we can see this already happening a lot on YouTube, that they're not monetizing correctly. They're just chasing views, which, as we've discussed, is the worst way of going about doing YouTube. And they're not thinking long term. So out of everybody who does try to do it this real way of actually building an AI character channel or doing a personal or faceless channel the right way, out of all those people, how many of them are going to have an actual system for doing this? Not that many. And how many of them are going to even be building IP in the first place that you get through having an AI character associated with the channel? So then even if people copy your channel and everybody in the world does it, so to speak, it's only going to help build your own brand. This is a one-time opportunity for joining this program due to the fact that in the past, I've sold programs where I've had to have closers and I've had to add so much complexity in selling those programs. And so I've had 30, 40 people on just my personal brand team helping me with all of that. And I've had to pay so many people, so I had to charge a lot more for programs. But right now, Tube Accelerator 2.0 is going to be the most discounted that you can ever get this program. And now is the time to join if this is something that you want to do. Plus, you get all of the AI bonuses and all of the extras that go along with that. So if this feels right for you, simply click the button down below, join Tube Accelerator 2.0. I would love to see you inside, and I would love to help you get the results that you want to get with YouTube. This is the most important thing I believe that I've ever built in my entire life, and my whole life honestly has been leading up to this point with the programs that I've made in the past and all of the tens of thousands of people that I've helped get results. This has all been leading to this point right here. So I honestly see this as a huge point, even just within my own life, because I know we're letting in a new cohort of people who you might have been thinking about doing this for years, you know, and you never took that leap of faith. Or maybe you've started YouTube, but you haven't stayed as consistent as you would like to with it. Or maybe this is totally new to you and this is just something that you want to do. Maybe you already have a channel and you want to blow it up and you want to monetize it correctly, or you have expertise and you know you need to do YouTube. You know that's the best platform for getting clients and getting the right type of people with long form content, not any of the short form BS. And you see this opportunity for joining this right now, and you join and you take action and you change your life. And the people that I've worked with who honestly have changed your life, they're the ones who look at it as a turning point like that. And so again, the doors do close at the end of this month, and they may even close early. If we get more than 100, 150 people, I'm probably going to shut this down. But I'd love for you to be one of them. If this is something you want to do, click that link down below, join Tube Accelerator 2.0. I'm going to help you absolutely crush it, and we'll hit your YouTube and your business goals. And with so much changing the world with AI as well, this is the time to do it. This is the time to jump in this and get a community of people who are also all doing this, ready to be behind you and to have your back and to just have people in your corner if this is something that you want to do. You know, people like people in your family, coworkers, people you know, they're going to tell you YouTube's saturated, you can't do it. You need some people in your corner who are going to tell you, you can do this. You 100% can, and we're going to help you do it every single step along the way. And we believe in your success probably more than you do, because from my perspective, all I see is success. Like, I see so many people come into my programs and, you know, completely change your life. And I'm getting messages from people every single day within my programs about that, and I want you to be one of them as well. So if this is something you want to do, again, click that link down below, join Tube Accelerator 2.0, and I'd love to see you inside. We got a bunch of different options for you, and we'll make sure we'll help you make it work out. Check it out, and hopefully I'll see you inside.